Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP booksellers, coloring booksellers? Check this out. Another Nurie Creator feature that you're going to love. Again, this one was a user request. And yeah, we're going to turn clip art into colorable images. So I got a lot of clip art off of Pixabay. It's a lot of this art, if not all of it, is free to use. Okay. Or maybe you bought a bundle of PLR, private label right, pixel art. That's another thing you could have done. You can choose the art style. I'm going to keep it at default. Current size, no resize, but you can do as you will. Convert all to coloring pages. We can also do that if it's black and white. But now what I want to do is I'm going to go to my folder here, click Control, click on the clip art I want to add, and I'm going to drag it, drop it in here, convert all the coloring pages, and we're going to wait. I'm going to pause this. This takes a little bit of time, about like 2 or 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause this. Of course, the more you add, the more you have to wait, right? I'm going to pause this and come back once it's done. Well, I thought it was going to take 2 or 3 minutes. It took like 5 seconds. The file's done. I'm going to click. Actually, you can see them right here. Let me get rid of that. You can see it all right here, right? Perfect. But you can download it as a zip. And let's take a look at that. And then I'm going to get inside here, look for that folder, right click. We're going to click right click. We're going to extract all, right? And it should release, boom, right there. Let's make this viewable as large icons. And you see, it turned my clip art into coloring pages. Let's review all of them. Beautiful. It took out the grayscale, as you can see. This puppy came out perfect. Okay. This soda cocktail came out nice. Look at that. All the grayscale gone. Okay. And this is a powerful way to use Nurie Creator to create coloring book pages from your clip art. Now, personally, I like to use the AI features like I've been showing you, but a lot of people, and I mean a lot of our members, have requested for this. So here it is. Hope you like it. Let me know your thoughts. If you're currently selling coloring books online, let me know. Let me know if you're selling coloring books created by Nurie Creator. We have a lot of testimonials already for people selling, as you can see from our sales page and from our YouTube channel, and also on our Facebook group. You can always find people who have earned or are earning, I should say, royalties using Nurie Creator. So let me know your thoughts. If you've done it this way, because I haven't put together a coloring book via clip art. I always do it via the AI. But let me know if you have. Okay, be good. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And